Welcome to Double D Do Business. Get ready for our quick dLog packed with insights and inspiration. Think, reflect, and join the conversation. Double D, your thought and positive agitation guides. Let's go.
I was thinking this morning about the power of movement. Sometimes we get lost with being stuck or being in situations where you just frankly don't know what to do. But what I found is, especially as I'm traveling around the US at the moment, is that movement is the secret. And if you can look at your current situation, projects, things you're doing, ideas, goals, actions you're thinking about starting, can you get just a little bit of movement? Because here's what I know about movement. Movement gives you the opportunity to realize and notice new things. It gives you a chance to think about and discover what might be next. And then when you actually start moving, you get to see what might come next. You get to notice the different views, the different ideas. So all I'm going to ask you to do this morning is to think about, like I'm thinking about, what movement can I initiate in my life, in my business? What movement can I commence? Why do I need to do that? What movement can I take action with? How can I make it move just a little bit further ahead? And then if I do that, what can I notice that's changed? Has the picture changed? Has the experience got better or worse? Have I learned anything? Is there anybody else that gets a chance to also progress things as a result of me deciding, or you deciding, to just get something started and simply get it moving?
Hi, Debbie here. Just wanted to very quickly add to Dave's movement and meant to move dLog. Just a really super fast way of creating movement is a technique that we coach called 1-1-1. So what one priority have you got that you must do to move yourself forward in this case? And remember, priorities are only in the context of one, otherwise it's not a priority. What one conversation must you have to move yourself forward? And then what one action can you do that's going to allow you to move yourself again? So one, what is the one priority? What one conversation can you have? And what one action can you do? And if you do that today, you will start to create movement. Remember, it's not about the size of the movement. It's about the fact that you are moving. Thank you for tuning into Double D and our dLog. Remember to think, reflect and share your thoughts with us too. Thanks for joining us on our quick dLog journey. Until next time.